And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Certainly ending August, a very summer-like feel out there during the day and very muggy tonight. Still warm tomorrow, but the humidity will be dropping throughout the day. Many of you are very happy about that. Temperatures in the 70s right now, and the temperatures won't move too much more tonight because the dew points are in the low to mid 70s. Temperature and dew point, when they get together like that, you can usually expect some fog, and we'll have that develop during the overnight and be part of that morning commute tomorrow. Really sticky tomorrow, way up there with the humidity in the morning. And then it drops throughout the day, stays low until we get back into the weekend. It'll creep back up a bit as we go into Sunday. But all in all, a really nice end to week setting up. Once the humidity drops, we'll keep the sunshine around, and overall, some splendid weather. We just got to get there. So some showers are off to our west. I'll talk to the radar in just a moment. And they'll get here sometime around 3 o'clock in the morning. They're here to about 8 or 9 a.m. It's a quick hit. It times out with the morning commute tomorrow, so please be careful in the morning with some wet roads, some showers, and a little fog in the morning. But once the sun pops, the temperatures are going to take off again. We were mid to upper 80s today. We'll likely be there again tomorrow. The difference, though, is by the afternoon, it will start to feel better and better. It's not going to be an instant fix, though. It's going to take a little while for the dew points to drop, but it will feel a little bit better by the time we get to evening in terms of how the humidity will be. Showers and a little fog for southeastern Mass, some sun in the afternoon, and there are your temperatures. Another warm day, mid to upper 80s for all locations before we start to take the temperature, drop it back a little bit, and also drop that humidity like I mentioned. So traffic forecast, obviously no issues tonight. It's just kind of muggy. You got the AC blasting. But those morning showers, I put a little yellow cake is slow. Once the showers are out, green means go, and the rest of the day will be just fine. It's just a quick hit of showers in the morning. Not from this low pressure here. This is traveling off the shore. But this frontal boundary here, it's called the cold front, but it doesn't really bring cold air. What it does is a difference maker in terms of how the air feels to you, and it takes the humidity out. It's usually marked by some rainfall that you see here, moving into western Connecticut and western Mass right now, eventually crossing the state of Connecticut and arriving here sometime for that morning commute. Right now, there it is. Just a lot of clouds for us. We go into the overnight hours. By 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, just about making it to the state line. And this is not really heavy rain. This is light to moderate showers, just enough to wet the roads. It's not a big storm, but it is an impact on the morning commute. But the rainfall totals do not look to be all that impressive. By 4, 5 o'clock into Rhode Island, by 6, 7 o'clock, southeastern Mass, and by 8 o'clock, pretty much already clearing the coast. In fact, the rain will move out so fast that the back edge of the cloud cover is right behind it. You'll be popping sun by late afternoon or late morning into the afternoon, and it really doesn't turn out to be a bad day. It's just going to be a day where it's still a little warm for some of you. I know many of you want that fall-like feel. That's coming for the end of the week. So how much rain? About 1/10 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch if you get maybe a heavier downpour, but I think this is not going to be enough rain to make a dent in that drought monitor, and that new drought monitor map will come out on Thursday. Thursday and Friday, there's your beautiful end of the week. Saturday looks good too. Sunday looks nice, and I've been toying with this all week long. I've added some showers for Labor Day morning. Temperatures will be a little cooler in the 70s for Labor Day itself. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Cut down.